Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy PayPal money with Google. Did you know that Google can make you some money using this method? It's going to be pretty easy and it's going to be quick, guys. Okay, so let's get started right now. Alright, this is the site I want to show you, Google Opinion Rewards. Google has basically a survey type site where you can earn rewards for your time and your opinions, answering some questions. There's actually two different ways to earn on here, and most people just concentrate on the survey part. So this video will cover the two ways that you can earn on here, okay guys? So your opinion is valuable. So what is Google trying to do here? Google, as you know, has many products online that they own. So they have the search engine, google.com. They have email, they have maps, they have many other applications. And they want to learn how you guys use your internet, okay? That's basically the basis for Google having this. They're using this for their own advantage so they can improve their products and services and the sweeps of products that they have so that they can make the internet easier for you guys to use. So there are surveys that you can do by downloading Google Opinion Rewards. You go to the App Store. So this is available on iOS phones and Android phones, so this is going to be great for everybody. Now, this other way is audience measurement. So this is the second way of earning on here. And what this is that you're going to get rewards for watching television and using the internet like the way you normally do. So here you're basically going to get paid for doing nothing, guys, okay? You're just going to set this up, and then they're going to just watch how you use your internet and what you watch on your TV. All right, so that's how it's going to work. So on the survey side, complete short surveys while standing in line or waiting for a subway. Get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete. Topics include everything from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys. Will notify you when a survey is waiting. Audience measurement. Earn rewards you can redeem at major retailers for sharing your TV and internet usage with us. This information will help us improve our products and services. We'll send you the products you need to get started. As always, your privacy and security are our top priority. Okay, so how would you earn on the survey side? So I got some FAQs here to go over with you. With Google Opinion Rewards, you take surveys that are run by market researchers. Survey frequency may vary, and you don't have to answer every survey you receive. In exchange, you receive payments from Google Opinion Rewards via PayPal. Below, we've outlined some common questions regarding, okay. So how much are you going to get paid per survey? Now, remember, these are very easy surveys, okay? So you're not going to be paid that much, and they're going to be fast surveys. They're not going to take you a lot of time. So you are going to be paid between 10 cents and $1 per survey completed. The amount can vary and is dependent on the number of questions in the survey and the amount of time it takes to answer the survey. Answering questions in a certain way is not required to receive a payment and is in fact discouraged. The more honestly you answer questions, the more valuable your opinion is, and therefore you may receive more surveys. Why didn't I get paid for a survey? You probably didn't do something right, basically. It's why you don't get paid. Is there a way for me to answer additional surveys to earn? Basically, you're going to get what is available to you guys, okay? You're not going to be able to get more than what's available. How do I transfer my payments from Google Opinion Rewards to PayPal? Each time $2 of payments is accrued in your Google Opinion Rewards account, Google Opinion Rewards will send the payment to your email address via PayPal. If your Google Opinion Rewards email address is the same as the one in PayPal, you automatically receive these payments in your PayPal account. And if you don't have the same email as your PayPal, then you must accept the initial payment within 30 days by associating your Google Opinion Rewards email to your PayPal account. Once you've accepted the initial payment and the funds are transferred to your account, future transfers will be automatic. So basically, if you don't use your PayPal email to sign up for Google Opinion Rewards, then you're going to have to do this verification to get the two emails connected. So that's all the questions that I was going to go over on that page. And so this is for the audience measurement, okay? Here's some more information on what you can earn. So for this part of their way to earn, where they're just going to see how you use your internet and how you watch your TV, you're not going to earn cash, okay? For this side, you're going to earn points that will be redeemed for gift cards, okay? This part is not going to go through PayPal. And the points that you will get to redeem by setting up basically this whole thing, you're going to get points for each stage that you will set up your place to have Google measure your internet and TV activities. So you earn these types of points if you install these kind of things for them. And then you also get weekly points if these things are measured. And then you also get more points if you do other things, okay? So you could even do phone surveys if you were attached to this program and earn 500 points. Enrollment bonus. So 100 points is equal to $1, as they point out here. So I guess the longer that you let them watch you use the internet, the more points that you're going to earn from your activity here, okay? So those are the ways to earn from Google. Now let's take a look at the app stores. This is an incredible app because a lot of people are rating it. I've never seen over 1 million people rating an app before. So this is definitely a widely used app. This is the one on Android phones, is on the Google Play site. They're rating it at 4.2. Like over 1 million people rating it at 4.2. So that is very good. So over 10 million installs. And then even on the Apple Store, on the iOS phones, not as many, but 65,000 ratings is still really good. That's still a lot. 4.7 stars. So that is really good because that's a great score, 4.7. And look at this. Surveys typically take less than 20 seconds, guys, okay? So this is why they're being paid up to $1 only, because they only take 20 seconds. So it's a matter of how many surveys that you'll be qualified for that will earn you as much as you can, basically. But I can't see this site as, you know, giving you any consistent money, because like all survey sites, I mean, you're never going to be making like, I don't know, 20 surveys on a day or anything like that. But they really love it because the surveys are short and you can earn pretty quickly. It looks like this reviewer confirms that the surveys only take 5 to 10 seconds. This is so quick, guys. I earn anywhere from 10 to 50 cents per survey. Once you reach $2, you can pay out through PayPal. There are no hoops to jump through, and like other survey apps, to get money. So this is great app because you're not bombarded with all these other things or ads, and basically you are just earning money with this Google app. Okay, guys? So this is definitely a great app to use. Again, this is Google Opinion Rewards. This is a good one to use. But like I said, guys, this is going to be you're going to be earning just a little side money, a pocket change or something like that. So it's a great way to earn a little bit of money, guys. If you want to earn a lot more money online, though, check out the first link in my video description, because that program will teach you online skills that you need to earn way bigger money. Okay, guys? I don't do stuff like this. I do big money, and I use a business model that allows me to earn any time of the day. So I earn passively online and I work on my own schedule, guys. Okay, So if you want to do what I do, check out that first link in the video description, and I'll tell you more about that program and how it works and how you can get started today and start to build something that is worth having in the future. Okay, guys, and earn a real dependable full-time income if you want it, or even more. Okay, that's how you earn big bucks, is by learning online skills that will generate you big income. Okay, guys? All right, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. And I hope you guys will make big money soon, guys. Okay? So I'll see you on the next video, hopefully. Bye!